From the foothills of the northeast to the heartlands of Punjab, football brings us a matchup that promises passion, grit and magical moments. It's Bodoland FC versus Punjab FC, a Group D clash where stakes are high. We are live from the SAI Stadium, Kokrajhar.
And this is how they will pan themselves. It's very interesting to watch Didim and Abdul in the back.
History meets hope as Punjab FC, a side with silverware in their veins, takes on the bold and brave Bodoland. Punjab FC, they make two changes from that 0-0 against ITBP. It's Bodoland FC versus Punjab. Let the magic unfold. From the thunderous chants of Bodoland to the battle cries of Punjab, tonight we witness a duel of dreams driven by pride, purpose and passion. Oh, given away. There's the step over, still holding on to the ball. And the cross takes a wicked deflection. And the keeper almost caught off guard. That has rattled the crossbar, Henry.
Putting that ball, but look at him. Three players in front of him tries to just go and whip that ball. And whipped it in such a way that even the goalkeeper just could not keep his control there.
This could be trouble. Has lost his man there, Pramveer. A cynical challenge. Could be a card as well. That looked quite blatant, Henry.
Yeah, that was a high boot. I'm sure the referee has to think differently over here because that was a goal-scoring moment. If he would have passed Pramveer, it would have been a different story because that is Suresh Mehta. He has to take a little more responsibility and keep his focus on that because you have to understand the ground. You have to understand the conditions there.
This Jijam Sargamari laying it up for Junior outside the area. Straight at Ravi Kumar. Kipgen between the lines. Quick passing from Punjab. Back to Kipgen. Into the safe pair of hands of Birkhang Daimari.
Good free-flowing football over here. The touches were great. They really played that 1-2 very well. And Kipgen, very important to keep their patience here, their composure, and to get into the attack at the end of this ball.
Princeton delivers in a good area. Chance for a counter, Pranjal. Left three behind, Pranjal wins it clean. That was Kipgen all the way towards the left back position. Pranjal Bhumij on to Robinson, and Robinson from distance testing Ravi Kumar. Was looking for Leon Augustine, and now across the face of goal. Goodness me, how close was that?
Super here over here. The action was good, the aggressiveness in the attack, but look at Leon. Nervy moments for the defense there.
Manabir Basmatari. A shot from outside the box. Might be one more. A good save from the goalkeeper. Came through a crowd of players.
Super stuff in the middle. We're talking about counter-attacks and keeping the pressure high. And look at that shot. Absolutely brilliant. Manabir was that man? Or was it somebody else? Yeah, but nevertheless, the shot was really reflex action from the goalkeeper, Ravi.
One deep breath. And Robinson! Not on target. Good pace, but wasn't goalwards. So Mohammad Uwais with the first time ball in, the header. Wasn't on target. Mohammad Suhail getting on the end of that. And now stepping in, the captain, Didam Hazwari. Decent build-up from Bodoland and Pranjal Bhumij.
To get into the attack, and that's how they come in. The build-up was very good. Look at that. He makes his space so well. Gets that defender away from that side of the ball. Takes that crack at the goal. And look at that. Ball dips. It should have dipped a little bit earlier. This would have been a fantastic goal. Crossbar second time. Can that be one quality pass?
Can this bring a surprise? And Robinson finds the target. Deadlock broken. Eruption in the stands. Bodoland FC, they go 1-0 ahead in a must-win encounter against Punjab.
Slowly and steadily, we were talking about them growing into the game and pushing the defenders deep in their own half, getting the right kind of set piece. We saw that. What they can get close to is with the set piece, and what a way to get inside. Super stuff from Lopez. Look at that celebration from this two combined effort to get that goal.
Building up from the far side is Sanathoi from the byline towards the far post. And somehow that hasn't gone in, Henry. And there goes the full-time whistle. What a performance. The underdogs have howled louder than ever. Bodoland FC have stirred the big guns and announced their arrival on the grandest stage. A new chapter in Indian football is written.